At Cedarshed, it all begins with the finest western red cedar, sustainably sourced to bring the beauty of nature into your backyard. In our workshop, our craftsmen blend traditional techniques with modern innovation to ensure every shed meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Every detail is made with care, from the first cut to the final assembly. From practical garden sheds to elegant outdoor retreats, Cedarshed offers customizable designs that seamlessly enhance your outdoor space. Your perfect shed is just a click away. Visit Cedarshed.com today to create your outdoor oasis.